Hey to Numis Canada. That's what I call my subscribers and members. Hello, coin collectors, young and old, and anyone else that might be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce, and today we have a post office visit pickup and a mint mail call. So we'll get into both of those right after this. Welcome back. So we'll get into this from the post office right away. And what we have here is the 2023 honoring Elsie MacGill Aeronautical Pioneer Champion of Women's Rights and Inspiration to Us All. And of course, it is this lovely coin here, which is hard to see through all the plastic. So I'll give you photographs of all of this, but let's take a closer look. And of course, that's what's on the coin, the image that's on the coin. There's the biplane, there's the military plane, and there are these plans in her hands because she was instrumental in all of that. So, Reaching for the Sky, Elsie MacGill, 1905 to 1980. Elizabeth MacGill was a person of brilliant mind and unconquerable spirit who excelled in aeronautical engineering and elevated others by championing gender equality. Struck by polio, she defied expectations by learning to walk again using canes and resumed her exceptional career, becoming the first practicing professional woman engineer in Canada, the first woman to spearhead the design and production of an aircraft, and the first person responsible for the engineering work leading to the Canadian production of more than 1,450 Hawker Hurricanes for the Allied war effort. Throughout her life, the Queen of the Hurricanes also dedicated herself to the advancement of women's rights, ranging from equal opportunities to education, eventually serving as a member of the groundbreaking Royal Commission on the Status of Women. The $1 commemorative coin celebrates the incredible Elsie MacGill, whose accomplishments, as well as her exemplary desire to improve and uplift others, were driven by her belief that we can all soar higher. So when you look at this coin, remember, you can all soar higher. How cool is that? And of course, let's take a look at these coins. There is the $1 with the planes and Elsie and the plans. There's the uncolorized version of the coin. And of course, that's the lower mintage of the two. And we have the regular loon. All three loonies are in this set. For all three loonies are in this set. And of course, it has Queen Elizabeth on the back with the 4 dots, the 4 pearls, and the double date. So, and of course, in here is a wonderful quote. It says, "It's only habit, custom, and complacency that keeps us chained to outworn ideas and outmoded institutions. Once we recognize the desirability of change, we can readily find the way to accomplish it." Elsie MacGill, viewing change as an opportunity, October 1963. And of course, this presentation has all of her achievements list, or her major, I wouldn't have all of her achievements, but her major achievements listed in there in the timeline. And I'll give you photographs of all of these coins. So, how cool is that? Now let's get into this package from the Royal Canadian Mint, because I honestly don't remember what's in here. So I took off the labeling, which actually took off the tape as well for privacy reasons. So I'll just break this seal and open it, and we have a bundle and obligatory paperwork. And I'll get rid of the box. And well, I think you're going to recognize what this is about, because the packaging's similar for the card and the other set that I got. But let's take a look at how this coin is different. If it is different, I'm not sure. So we'll take that out, and of course it's in a black box. And this is this coin is Elizabeth's Royal Cipher, and it is number 5305 of 15,000. And I'll let you read that if you want. And here we go. And this is about the coin. This coin is 4/9 fine pure silver with a diameter of 38 millimeters and a nominal metal weight of 31.39 grams. Fully plated with black rhodium. The reverse designs the features of the Royal Cipher and Queen Elizabeth II. The selectively plated obverse features the 4 effigies of Queen Elizabeth II that gave grace the coins since 1953. So, this coin reflects very well, but it is a black coin. It is a black coin, and you have to catch the light just right, because it does reflect very well. And it can actually look like it's not black. But here we go. And it has that image on the reverse with the rose and the double date and the 4 images of Queen Elizabeth. And this one actually features those 4 portraits best, I think. So how cool is that? She's a queen that we will truly miss for many years. At least the rest of our lives. Those who knew her well. And her royal cipher. How cool is that? We saw last week Charles's royal cipher. And this is Elizabeth's royal cipher. Thank you for watching. We hope to see you again soon. Bye for now. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.